This video shows you how to work out fractions of amounts. The simpler examples are where you're asked to work out a fraction of amount where the numerator of the fraction is 1. So for the first example here, we're asked to find a quarter of 20. Now this is the same as dividing by 4. So the rule for this is you take the number and you divide it by the denominator. So here 20 divided by 4 is 5. Let's look at this example here. 1/5 of 40, you're effectively working out 40 divided by the number on the bottom, which is 5. So the answer to this one would be 8. Little chart that it helps to remember is divide by the bottom. The slightly harder ones occur where you've got a fraction where the numerator is not 1. So for these you have 2 stages. The first thing you do is the same as for a simple one. You do the number 40 and you divide it by the number which is on the bottom. Divide by the bottom. So here 40 divided by 4 would give us the answer 10. Then you take that answer, let's put it back at the beginning of the sum, and you times it by the numerator, which in this example is 3. So 10 times 3 would give you 30. So the chart to remember here is slightly more complex. Divide by the bottom, then times by the top. Let's try that with one more example. 5/6 of 24. Take the number 24, divide by the bottom. The value on the bottom is 6, so 24 divided by 6 is 4. Take that 4 to the start of the sum. We've divided by the bottom, now we're going to times by the top, and our top number is 5, and that will give us 20. So, the chance to remember. If the numerator is 1, you just have to divide by the bottom. If the numerator is not 1, you divide by the bottom, then times by the top.